The frontside pop shove it, also known as the front shove, is a beginner to intermediate skateboarding maneuver in which your board does a frontside half rotation whilst you remain in the same orientation. The front shove is a great trick to learn and build upon in order to be able to successfully land varial heel flips and hard flips, both of which I'm apparently quite terrible at. The only trick you absolutely must learn before learning the front shove is the ollie. However, I highly recommend learning frontside 180s in order to know how to make the board scoop in the frontside direction, as well as backside pop shove-its in order to be comfortable popping a shove-it. As with most skateboarding tricks, foot placement for a front shove is entirely subjective, and it can feasibly be done from a variety of different setups, but here's how I like to set up my feet for this trick. Front foot just beneath the front bolts, and back foot on the inside pocket of the tail, with my toes ever so slightly pointing toward the nose. Very similar to how I set up for frontside 180s. Begin the frontside pop shove-it by popping an ollie and jumping with the board. As soon as your tail smacks the pavement, push your back foot out in front of you, scooping the tail of the board in front and the nose behind you. Once the board has completed a 180-degree spin, catch it with your front foot and stomp it back to the ground. Congratulations, you've just landed your first frontside shove-it. Such a cool and fun trick to be able to do. Perhaps the single best thing that I discovered when mastering this trick was rotating my shoulders forward toward the nose of my board before popping. Doing this allowed me to better control the motion of the board's spin by thinking of the trick as a frontside 180 without my body turning. One of the biggest issues I ran into when learning this trick was having the board scoop too far behind me and not being able to stay above it. I rectified this issue by anticipating the board's motion and jumping alongside it in the air. With these tips and tricks in mind, go out and try the frontside pop shove-it for yourself. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, or you'd like to recommend a new trick for a trick tip on this channel, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram. But of course, I'd like to thank you so much for watching, and until I see you in the next video, keep on spootin'.